Hi everyone, it's me again, Joseph, and welcome back sa aking channel. For today's video, pag-usapan natin ang pinagkaiba ng sentence, ng text, ng paragraph, at ng phrase. Pag sinabi nating phrase, it is a group of related words that does not contain a subject and a verb. It functions as a single unit within a sentence. Examples: the big red ball, running quickly over the hill. Pag sinabi naman na nating sentence, ito ay complete thought. Meron siyang complete thought. It contains a subject, sino yung pinag-uusapan, and a predicate, kung ano yung ginagawa ng subject. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. It's either period, question mark, or exclamation point. Example: the big red ball rolled over the hill. Ating paragraph, it is a group of related sentences that develop a single idea or topic. Paragraphs are usually indented and separated by blank lines. They provide structure and organization to longer pieces of writing. Example: the children played in the park. They swung on the swings and slid down the slide. They laughed and ran around enjoying the sunshine. At ang panghuli naman ay text. Pag sinabi nating text, ito ay written material. It can be a single sentence, a paragraph, a page, a chapter, an entire book, or even a collection of documents. It's the broadest term encompassing all forms of written communication. Example: lahat ng sinabi ko. Lahat ng definition from sentence, text, and paragraph, or even the definition of text. Lahat sila ay example ng text. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow my social media accounts in different platforms. And happy learning! Bye!